hi everyone. Today we are looking at a question like this. Okay, I know a lot of you are like, what? This is so confusing. Now, come, let's take a look at this. It says that Mariam baked some strawberry, apple, and pear tarts. Okay, now then sentence number 1 says that there were 12 more strawberry tarts than pear tarts. Stop there. We know that strawberry will now then be 1 unit plus 12. Okay, for pear, it will be, all right, it will be
1 unit.
1 unit. All right, now, so once I'm done with this, I can move on to sentence number 2. And 20 more apple tarts than strawberry tarts. So apple tarts is actually what? 20 more than the strawberry. Can you see that? So over here, we get to 1 unit plus 32. Okay, now when I look at something like that, I know that this is my before. Okay, so you know what? I kind of know that this is a B and A question. Okay, what is B and A? B and A means before and after. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to quickly draw your table. All right, you draw your table. This is the table. All right, now over here you have 3 items. We have strawberry, we have apple, we have pear. How do I know this is before and after? Because if I were to just skim through, I realize that the rest of the sentence is telling us about some changes, correct? Selling or receiving and all of those things. And then the final sentence says she had 145 tarts left. That one is my after. You understand what I'm saying? So we have a before over here. Okay, we have a change over here. And finally, we have after over here. Okay, so once you're done with this, what you want to do is you want to make sure you write in whatever you know, because this is my before, right? Okay, so we want to write in first. So this is 1 unit plus 12, and for apple is 1 unit plus 32, and for pear is 1 unit. So when I'm done with this part, I'm going to read the third sentence. Okay, it says that she sold 3/8 of the apple tarts. So this is sentence number 3. All right, 3/8 of the apple tarts. So you go to apple tarts, you put 3/8. Now, but the problem here is that there's a word off over here. So it says of the apple tart. Apple tart is 1 unit plus 32. Make sense? All right, so we simply just do 3/8 times 1 unit plus 32. My recommendation to you is to draw a bigger table. Okay, now over here you do 3/8 times 1 unit, that gives me 3/8 unit. Right? Why is it that I'm doing this? Because you have to take away 3 units. Sorry, you have to take away 3/8 from the 1 unit and 3/8 from the 32. Okay, so we double rainbow. So we simply do 3/8 times 32. 3/8 times 32, we get to 12. So this is 3/8 units plus 12. Okay, once you're done with this, of course, you know, right? It means, because whatever that is over here means sold, correct? Now, sold means I minus. Agree so far? So 1 minus 3/8, you know 1 means 1 whole, right? Now, that means 8/8 minus 3/8. We get to 5/8 units. And then finally, of course, we do 32 minus 12, we get to 20. Okay, so this is for apple. Now, and half of the strawberry tart. So half basically means half. Again, the word off so obvious, right? Now, half of the strawberry tarts. Okay, so half times 1 unit plus 12. Okay, so same thing, half times 1 unit, that gives me half a unit. Half times 12, that gives me 6. So you plus 6 over there. All right, so unit, so 1 unit means 2/2, huh? 2/2 minus 1/2, you get to half a unit. All right, 12 minus 6, that gives me 6. Okay, now, what happens to pear? I didn't sell any, so I'm just going to X it out. Okay, and therefore, this is still 1 unit. Does that make sense? Now, so what they're trying to tell us next, once I'm done with sentence number 3, sentence number 4, I can go on to sentence number 5. They say that she had 145 tarts left. So if I were to tell you that left is in the last row, you will tell me that this is 145. So what we want to do is we want to add all of them up together in the last row. We say that half a unit plus 6 is what I have left for strawberry, plus another 5/8 units plus 20 is what I have left for apple. And finally, we plus 1 unit, and that is what I have left for pear, is equals to 145. Okay, so what you want to do is same family sit together, right? So the units and the units together, so half a unit plus 5/8 unit plus 1 unit, numbers and numbers together, plus 6 plus 20 is equals to 145. Okay, now, so then units and units, so we just press our calculator. For the units part, we get to we get to 2/1/8 unit plus, for the numbers will be 26. Okay, is equals to 145. All right. Now, since I see that the numbers, I like what I always say, right? Units on the left-hand side, numbers on the right-hand side. So we have to bring the numbers over. All right. When I bring 26 over, I have to minus 26. Make sense? So 2/1/8 units, okay, is equals to 145 minus away 26. Okay, so 145 minus away 26, that gives me 119. So we can say that 2/8 units, okay, is equals to 119. Okay, a lot of you prefer to write down 17/8 units. I'm perfectly fine with that. Okay, improper or mixed number doesn't matter. So what we want to do is we want to find 1 unit first. Okay, so we simply just do 119 divided by 2/1/8. We will get to 56. So this is my Mr. Green Man. Once I'm done with Mr. Green Man, I want to read the question. The question says, how many tarts did she bake? She baked 56. So how many tarts did she sell altogether? That means I have to look at whatever that is over here. All right, this is the second row. Okay, so we know that sold. Okay, so for sold, right, it is half a unit plus 6 plus 3/8 units plus 12. Okay, so how much is that? Half plus 3/8 first, we get to 7/8 units plus 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 is actually equals to 18. All right, so we just ignore the 18 for now. We are going to find out what is 7/8. Okay, so just now in the earlier question, we learned that 8/8, which is my 1 unit, right? 8/8 is actually equals to 56. Right? Remember, your 1 unit is not 1/8. 1/8 is not 1 unit. Why is that so? Because 1 unit means 1 whole. 8/8 equals to 56. So 1/8 is equals to 56 divided by 8, right? So 1/8 equals to 7. Now they say how many tarts did she sell altogether? We want to find 7/8 unit. So 7/8 is equals to 7 times 7, which is equals to 49. Okay, once you're done with this, you can say 49 plus 18, and therefore your answer is 67. All right, how many tarts did she sell? She sold 67 tarts altogether.